our next tense after present continuous tense is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. As you know, very often we write first of all the formula of passive voice to convert active voice. So formula of passive voice is like this: passive voice sutra. In the first place there is subject, thereafter helping verb had है plus been plus verb third plus by plus कर्म plus answer. This is the formula. Now we take an example of present perfect tense. She has written a letter to her parents. This is sentence of active voice. Now you will convert this sentence into passive voice. Again, we will start with the subject. When we talk about the subject in the passive voice, it means the object of our active voice. What is object of our active voice in this sentence? As I have told again and again that in the first place there is subject, second place helping verb, third place main verb, fourth place object. Sometimes in some sentences there are two objects. If there are two objects, one object is called direct object and second object is called indirect object. If your object is non-living, nirjeev, then it is direct. If your object is living, then it is indirect, her parent. Here are two objects. One is a letter, second is her parents. So we will have a choice whether we start from the direct object or from the indirect object. Here I will start from direct object. Our direct object is letter. A letter. Second word has. As you know, this is singular number. In English, verb has to follow the number of its object. So, according to the number of letter is singular number. So, verb will also be singular. Singular verb has an identity. It is said that singular verb has always in its end s. हर एक वचन की क्रिया के अंत में, अंग्रेजी की क्रिया के अंत में एस होता है, प्रायः ऐसा होता है। जैसे इज में एस लिखा हुआ है इसलिए एक वचन है, हैज अंत में एस लिखा हुआ है इसलिए एक वचन है, वाज अंत में एस लिखा हुआ है इसलिए एक वचन है, गो में गोज कर देंगे तो गोज एक वचन हो जाएगा, कम्स एक वचन हो जाएगा, रीड्स। सो दोज वर्ब्स व्हिच हैव एस एट देयर एंड इज कॉल्ड सिंगुलर वर्ब। सो हियर I will write has. Thereafter, third step been. Fourth step, verb third. In present perfect tense, the verb is already in the third form, so there is no need to be bothered. So I write written here. Next word by. Next word object. This is object of our active voice. It will goes there in the place of object and becomes object. But this is subjective case. In the place of object, we always need objective case. What is objective case of see? See, हर कर्ता कारक सी, इसका कर्म कारक हर होता है और संबंध कारक भी हर होता है। तो आफ्टर बाई वी विल राइट हर। द नेक्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट दैट इज indirect object now will go in the place of other word. So what are the next words in this sentence? In this sentence, to her parents will become next word, other words, to her parents. So this is transformation of active voice into passive voice from present perfect tense. You know that there is no passive voice of present perfect continuous tense. So in next video we will read about the passive voice of past indefinite tense. Thank you.